So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add photos to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Now once that is done, if you want to add photos that are through Canva, the way to do that is just go to the left hand side of your screen, press on elements right here, scroll down to the bottom to where it says photos right here. You can press on see all, and there's a bunch of different photos you can use. Go to your recently used, you can go to trending. So if you want to use this photo right here of whatever appears to be someone at a workplace, you can go ahead and do that. You can also search photos as well. So if you want to search the beach, for instance, we can press the beach right here. View this wonderful photo of the beach just like that. You can get creative at whatever you want. You have a whole bunch of different photos at your disposal. You can also upload your own photos as well by dragging a photo in, going to the Uploads tab right here, and it'll be over there in the Uploads tab. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how you guys can add photos to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.